Hello, this is Marian with Marian Jewels in Fiber, and I want to present a new project. It's a woven cuff made with linen and metallic thread. This project can be made with two different widths, and this is a 3-straw design and this is a 5-straw design. This project is made with linen and metallic cord, as well as straws, but not the regular standard straws, thin stirrers. This is a piece in process. First part was woven with the linen only, and then the metallic cord was added. And the process of weaving is an easy process. It just follows the weaving mantra, and the mantra is over, under, and then over again, and under, and then over, under, over, under, and you just continue the process. This is another color choice, and let me show you the bracelet. So that's the front part. It's nice and flexible, and the back, it shows you the closure that's made with a sliding square knot panel, and that makes this bracelet adjustable. You can also add other materials. So in this bracelet, right in the central panel, a ultra silk and nylon blended yarn was added, and it makes this bracelet incredibly soft against the hand. And you can also add, I found this nylon paper. It's actually a ribbon made out of nylon paper that's stitched, and it's incredibly strong but also incredibly soft, and it's dyed in beautiful ombre colors. And you can also blend it or add it to the linen to add more texture and a little bit more of a density again of the weave. You can also explore with these more indigenous designs, diagonal color changes, and you can also bypass the square knot panel and just tie the bracelet with a reef knot. To find out more about these bracelets and to get the tutorial, go on my website. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.